Hello.
Hello. This is our new house. We are starting our new house tour. Yeah, this is our entrance. We are living in first floor. We go home. Oh,
We
yes,
have
I'm
some
coming.
cute stuff.
Oh,
You can see it's from our wedding.
oh, already.
Our flowers. Ta-da!
Ta-da. So, okay, let's just start first living room.
Okay.
Living room.
Okay, now we finally have a living room.
Living room, yes.
We have couch
Couch.
that folds out into bed. It's in bed mode right now because
Yes.
my friend stayed the night. And it's really comfy when it's a bed. And our TV has its own stand now. It is cool because you can move the TV easily.
Oh.
And probably the best upgrade, if we got bigger house, Noodle also got bigger.
Hi, Noodle.
It's so nice. It's so easy to open
Hi,
this
Noodle.
one.
Are you sleeping? She got up. Now Noodle has bigger house.
Yes.
Since she has bigger house, her water bottle is also bigger.
And so is her Heidi tree.
Yeah. Living room light is kind of special. It's Chandelier style, old style, and then selling. Only living room selling on top is not
so
cement.
beautiful.
It's very old style, like antique, but and there's some pattern here in the middle. Ooh.
It's very nice woodwork. I love the
So
living room.
she likes this.
It's so nice.
Okay, let's go small room, next room. This is smallest room. We are using a storage here.
Yes, but
Here's
I
many
have a
stuff.
lot of it organized. All of this stuff used to be in my closet in the old house. So I tried to make it look a little prettier.
There's many stuff like medication.
Medication, body stuff, hair stuff, more medication, art supplies, makeup, hair
And
dye.
then my camera stuff. And then this is like
My bag collection.
bag collection, like a bag closet. There is many bag, and then there are many different character like Disney, and then
Studio Ghibli.
Studio Ghibli.
Oh, there's Senga Chihiro. Haunted Mansion
Haunted Mansion.
from Disneyland. It's right.
Disneyland.
Avatar.
Avatar. There's many style.
One Shin. The
Oh,
purple one is
so-
One Shin.
And then there is another very small door.
We don't need to see in here. It's just a bunch of winter clothes.
Okay, next
Okay, bathroom.
bedroom.
And we bought Samsung washer and dryer.
It's a kind of two-in-one style, dry and then wash all together. They kind of combine, and then you can control separate, and then you can control a smartphone and remote. So this one is kind of AI washer and dryer. They can do themselves if they need to do something more stuff, and you can control by smartphone in any place. And then there is a bathtub. So she's doing bathtub every day.
It's so nice. I miss having a bathtub.
Uh-huh.
I haven't had a bathtub in 4 years.
And then we changed this one. Originally it was not this. So we
We
changed
changed
this
the
new
bathroom
one.
cabinet. We also changed the bathroom sink.
Yes.
Because the previous sink was
it
very low.
Yeah, very
like
low,
down here.
and
So
then-
we were
Uh-huh.
more like this wash. Okay, PC room.
This room.
Upgraded PC bag. This room for our office is also bigger. So now there's Chan's desk and my old desk. So he gets 2 desks now.
Uh-huh.
And then I bought another desk. So we did an L-shaped concept for the office and put the printer in the corner so we both have access to it.
She has on her shelf of her desk.
All of my
So
figures.
she's using another shelf on the top. So we put this one here.
Just
For
for
figure.
Haunted Mansion.
Yes.
I may or may not have a small obsession with the Haunted Mansion.
And then we are gonna put more frame here, maybe.
I need to get more picture hooks. So this wall is pretty empty at the moment, but it will be full one day.
Okay, next bedroom.
Bedroom also got upgraded. It's much bigger now. And we got 2 more wardrobes for clothes.
So we have now same style, same design, two more, just the color is different. And then this one is kind of just half. Mine
This
is
is full
originally
wardrobe type. Yours is
bottom is
wardrobe and
different.
drawer.
yes. This side
We
Pro-
have the projector.
projector instead of TV. We put projector here, so at night you can watch something. Since
Oh,
we
new
moved here,
AC.
we got new like wall AC. It's nice, first grade, so we don't use much electronic. And then this one is also AI. It can control by itself. And then we can control by smartphone. And then this one has like no wind mode, windless mode. So
And it
even-
also has air purifier.
that's why there is so many hole here, because even though it's closed, still cold air coming out by the hole.
Kitchen time. Kitchen got major upgrade. We have an actual kitchen now instead of one counter.
First we changed this light.
Yeah, we changed the lights. The previous lights were hanging very low and we kept hitting our head. But we kept the same color, mint, but got new ones.
So kitchen light, there is one more. Same one, but this one is bigger than left side.
Yes.
You got your microwave, cuckoo microwave, and then this one is already with before, so original supply, and then this one is
The best thing I've ever purchased. It's oven gas range. So we have 4 gas burners. Then this compartment is a grill.
yes.
Great for making different types of meat. And then the bottom is a 66-liter capacity oven. So I've started baking again. I have made 3 sets of chocolate chip cookies. And I'm gonna make a 4th set of cookies today.
This brand is Lina. You guys know Lina. It's a gas company. So we can make samgyeopsal steak easily. It's nice. And
And
then
we have big sink and we still have counter space. So I've been using this area to bake, which I have thawing my brick of butter. I'm gonna use this to make cookies today.
the water filter.
Ah, yes, we have water filter now and you
Show me
can...
how to drink 1 cup of water. So we don't have to buy any more
Bottled water.
bottled water.
You just click button for cold mode and then how many milliliters you want it to be. And then it just goes and does its thing. It also has hot water function, so I've been using it to make coffee in the morning.
So this one is possible 3 option: cold,
Cold.
hot, just normal water,
And then regular room
and then
temp.
you can change the how many milliliter. It's possible even 1 liter. And then if you
This
put
is
this one,
endless mode.
oh,
You
yes.
start and stop it yourself.
So this one is very nice. The water taste is also not bad. It's nice.
Yes, and I'm really picky about water.
So
Some water tastes icky.
so even though we cost kind of big money for water, but we don't have to spend any more money to
On
get
bottled water,
money,
so it's gonna save money in the long
and then
run.
saves more trash bag. And
Less
then
plastic waste.
yes.
Good for the earth.
And then Samsung.
Tons
We got new fridge because originally the previous house there was already fridge, but since when we moved here there was no fridge, so we had to buy new one. And then this one is also first grade. Top is fridge, so there's some food. Bottom is
freezer.
freezer. Okay, balcony. And then this one is also kind of storage.
It's veranda.
Veranda. So sometimes we are sitting here and then do something and then
Good place to have morning coffee.
so you can take some air here.
Yeah, the window opens really wide and there's a screen so you don't have to worry about bugs so much. And then we put our freezer here.
And then another side behind door.
There's a utility shelf.
Yeah,
that
there's
we're
so many
using
things now.
for tools and storage for boxes.
Like computer monitor box and then some like fixing house supply like bond, tape,
Hammer,
drill, tape, many things, whatever. And then there is also more box, and this is snack, And this is kind of line cable, electronic cable like USB-C type, power cable, and multi-tap.
But there's also clothing rack for drying laundry.
And then if we are looking at
Clothing
oh yeah,
rack for drying delicate clothes. I haven't used it yet because I haven't really washed any delicate clothes yet, but I will use it at some point.
okay. So until now we introduce our house. So I don't know, we don't know how much we are gonna live here, but if it's possible, we wanna live here
Long time.
because we cost a lot of money and
We
then
put in a lot of effort
yes.
just to get the house. We've put a lot of effort into fixing up the house, and it's good neighborhood, good size.
yeah, also
I'm very happy with everything.
this new house, it's not far from previous house. It's very close, so we know
Many
many people who's
neighbors,
living nearby here. So it's good. So it means we still have kind of friend.
Oh, and I feel comfortable.
So we are gonna end up our video for new house. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.